I'm Sarah Desgupta. I'm a fifth former in Reynolds.
I was born with 2 fingers on my left hand, and I had a couple surgeries done on it when I was younger, but now it doesn't really affect me too much. I can pretty much do most things that most people can do, except that one thing where you take your thumb off. I can't do that with my left hand. But other than that, I can do pretty much anything. My parents had a prosthetic hand made for me, and it was one of your traditional prosthetic hands, so it was made out of silicone, and it took a long time to make it actually. Like most prosthetics that young children get, I outgrew it pretty quickly. It was never super comfortable to wear, and it didn't have a whole lot of functionality. Once I got to high school, I started looking into 3D printed prosthetics because 3D printing is a very effective and efficient way to get inexpensive prosthetics to children who need them. That sort of thing got me kind of interested in what I could do for myself and other people who are missing digits or limbs. I researched 3D printing and 3D printing in prosthetics. I visited Dr. Ottensmeyer, who works at the CMIIT simulation lab at Harvard. I toured different labs and took the information that I got from researchers there to build my own. I've made 2 prosthetics. This is the first. Initially, I just made it very large. And so then the second one I made can grip things and give people more functionality. When I move my hand down like this, the finger's closed. If one finger is stopped, the other ones continue to move. And you can stop 2, that becomes a little more difficult. The point of it is that it'll be able to grasp irregular objects. I did this as part of my Wells Grant project. There are so many niche fields that haven't been explored as much as they should be and deserve to be. So I think that the more that people follow their own passions and look into their own lives for things that can be improved, having this grant available is really great for getting students to think about what they're passionate about, what they want to research. I think that that's a really great place to start. By the way, you can hold a phone like this, putting that out there, I don't know.